Hello, and welcome to the Uselessly Wise channel. Today, we're discussing a topic many of you might be curious about, the top 5 quickest ways to beat laziness. With these tips, you'll be able to lead a more productive and energetic day. Let's dive in. The first way is to set small goals. Big goals can be overwhelming, but small goals are easy to start. For example, instead of aiming to read an entire book, set a goal to read for just 10 minutes a day. Instead of cleaning the whole house, start with just your desk. The second way is to use a timer. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break, can help you beat laziness and increase focus. Set a timer and concentrate for short bursts of time. The third way is to organize your environment. A tidy space can clear your mind and help you focus on your tasks. Keep your workspace clean and only keep necessary items on your desk. The fourth way is to exercise. Exercise boosts your mood and energy levels, helping to fight off laziness. Try some light stretching or a short walk in the morning. Even a little bit of movement can energize you for the day. The fifth way is to create a reward system. Rewarding yourself after completing a task can boost your motivation. For example, treat yourself to a favorite snack or a short break after an hour of focused work. Today, we explored the top 5 quickest ways to beat laziness. By putting these tips into practice, you can lead a more productive and energetic life. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.